Okay, part 3. Read the problem below. You've learned about the calculating surface areas of prisms to solve the problem. Mrs. Anderson wants to buy a glass greenhouse with the dimensions shown. It's not going to have a floor, so it has to deal with the walls and the roof, the front and the back. So we got 5 sides we got to deal with. No, 6 sides we got to deal with. We got the front, which is 8 feet by 12 feet, and then this part is 6 feet. The total height of this thing, from the tip of the point down to the bottom of the base, is 10.5 feet. The walls are each 8 feet by 15 feet. There's 2 in this shape. And the sides of the roof are 6.5 by 15. 6.5 by 15. So if we take it and we split it up into the different surfaces, we've got the 2 bases here. Maybe the base of the prism is the polygon. So we've got, this is 8 feet, 12 feet, another 8 feet, 6.5 and 6.5. Both of these are the same. We've got 2 here, which are the sides of the building. It's 15 by 8, 15 by 8. And these 2 are the sides of the roof. 15 by 6.5, 15 by 6.5. In order to find the area of the base, the polygon, the pentagon in this case, you have to split it up into two pieces, one rectangle, one triangle. And so we got one rectangle, is 8. Is 8 feet by 12 feet. And we have a triangle, which is 2.5 feet tall in the middle, 6.5 and 6.5 feet sides, and a 12-foot side in the bottom. And we know that this is 2.5 feet because, remember here, the height from the top of the peak down to the bottom is 10.5 feet. So if you take 10.5 feet and 10.5 feet there, subtract this 8 feet, which is the length of the side of the building, the height of the side of the building, minus 8 feet. I'll make that a little bit different. And you end up with 2.5 feet. That is where we get this 2.5 feet from. Okay. So, we end up with 1, we end up with 1, 2 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangles. So what we have to do, we have to find the area for each one, add them all together, get the total surface area. It doesn't sound horrible. Okay, so look at model it. How do we know that the height of the triangle is 2.5 feet? How do we know that the height is 2.5 feet? Well, let's went over that. The whole height of the building was 10.5. And we subtracted that 8 feet. We end up with that 2.5 feet. What is the area of one of the bases of the prism? Show your work and explain the reason. Okay, we know that the triangle, area of the triangle, is 1/2 base times height. So we know that the base is 12, and the height is 2.5. So that would be, so that's going to equal out to be 15 feet squared. Because I'm sure you remember the area of a rectangle is going to be the length times the width. In this case, the length is going to be 12 feet, and the width is 8 feet. So that's going to be 8 times 12 is 96 feet squared. So 96 plus 15, yes, that's a 15. Got a new stylus. So it's going to be 111 feet squared for one base of the pyramid. So we have to multiply that times 2. So it's going to be 222 feet squared. For both bases. If we describe other faces of the prism, including the direction, the dimensions. So let's see, let's scroll up a little bit. So there's two pairs of triangles that are 15 feet by 8 feet, 15 by 8, and two that are 15 by 6.5. So 15 by 6.5. So if P represents the front of the... Okay, I've been small change here while magically editing. If P represents the area of the front of the greenhouse, which is right here, and Q represents the area of the side of the greenhouse, which is over here, and R represents the area of the right side of the roof, which is over here, so this would be Q, that's P right there. What equation represents the total surface area A? So we're going to say that A equals 2 times P plus 2 times Q plus 2 times R. Solve the equation to find the surface area. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, so I went ahead and worked this out. So for the 15 by 8, 15 times 8 is 120. For the R, 15 by 6.5 is 97.5. 97.5. Then we had already figured out that P was 111. So we got 2 times 111 plus 2 times 120. Plus 2 times 97.5. So the total area of the greenhouse, since you don't have to deal with the bottom, 657 feet squared. Square feet, whatever we're going to call it. So this problem here, I can find the surface area of any right prism. Just got to find the area of all the sides and add them together. So this problem right here, I guess I should put this, that's not reason for there. Try that again. And the sides. And add together. You can use my handwriting. It's awkward with the stylus on a screen. Touch screen on my laptop. So I can't hit my hand on the screen without it messing things up. Anyway. So find the surface area of the prism shown. Include all faces, even the bottom. So this time, we've got 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over the side, 6, which is the other base, and 7, which is that bottom. So I hope you realize that there's going to be, like I said, 7 sides, 2 rectangles, I'm sorry, 2 triangles. The triangle's measure is going to be 8 tall. First off, this 8 right there. The base is going to be 30. So you've got the 2 roof parts. I'm just going to draw one of each of these faces, which is 30 right there, by 20, by 20. You know, that looks more like the sides. I'm going to shorten this up some. And you got the roof, 17 at 82.25, 25. You got the bottom, and one of those, 30 by 82.25. Two of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 sides to this, but one of the sides has to be divided into 2, the triangle and the rectangle. Triangle and the rectangle. So this is the front of the building, or the base of the prism. These are the sides of the roof. This is the bottom of the prism, bottom of the floor of it. And then the 2 walls are 20 by 82.25. So using area equals length times width, and area equals 1/2 base times height for the 2 triangles, should be easy to figure it out. Alright, well, I've run out of time, so I'm going to post this. Hope you'll have a good time. Bye.